Facebook, YouTube, what's going on, guys? It is Wednesday, September the 24th. We are in the park in Maryville, Tennessee today. Kind of show you guys what we're going to be working on. Let's jump inside. This is a hardwood wax removal on pre-finished hardwood floors, and there's a ton of wax. Some of our clients bought the home not long ago. There was just a ton of wax on the hardwood floors. Let's jump in and show you guys what we're working with today. It's bad. All right, so you guys can see here, obviously there is a ton of wax on these hardwood floors. You see all these scratches through the floor. They're not actually in the hardwood itself, they are in the wax. So clients started seeing this, accidentally put a steam mop on the floor and then peeled it off, and you can see, they did a little bit on their own, but look at the difference here, how shiny this is. This is actually to have more of a matte finish on the natural hardwood floor. This is about 5 years of wax buildup from a product called Bona. But guys, over-the-counter cleaners, Bona Quick Shine, Mop and Glow, things like that, create this residue, this film over the hardwood floors, guys, and look at this. And just look how much wax is on the floors, guys. We actually came out, we did that demo spot right there, and so yeah, we're gonna be removing the wax off the hardwood floors today. Rejuvenate, refresh, get these floors looking their best again. But guys, real quick, I'm gonna show you guys, it's gonna be a really good one. Wow. So quickly, guys, I've already applied the emulsifier here. You can see how it starts to turn this real milky white color. That's how you know it's already working. And that emulsifier is designed to get that hard wax back into a liquid state, a emulsification. That way it can be extracted back off of the hardwood floors, which is what it should be. Never should have been on the hardwood floors in the first place, but guys, look at that. And then also you can see where they've had, and you guys see this all the time too, like where there was like maybe a table or an area rug and they've just simply gone around it. And so it's always funny to be able to see that look how much wax is on here. Now pay close attention here. Look at all of this wax and then check that out. So that is the floor without wax, the floor how it should be, the floor in its natural state. And look what a difference, guys. These products that you buy over the counter that promise a shine to restore are terrible for your hardwood floors. Look what it does to your hardwood floors. We do so many of these a year. And the problem is, I blame the manufacturers. They should have a warning on the bottle that says this stuff may make your floors look terrible in the long run. But unsuspecting clients just like you watching this video are unaware that these products have acrylic waxes that are gonna cause this issue. Unfortunately, it does keep people like me in business, and I do appreciate that. But they should come with a warning label on there that says they are extremely difficult to manage and take care of. And you're probably gonna have to hire somebody to get it taken off eventually. A lot of people start applying these products, and at first they look great, they look shiny, they look new, and then just acrylic waxes have an extreme affinity for soiling. They scuff easy, they scratch easy. They're not actually bonded or married to the fiber of the wood, so they come off so easy and just look terrible. Right, guys, real quick, little progress update, and I've kept this right here in the middle, not touched intentionally, so you could see the drastic difference. This is the only thing, well, I'm sorry, there's some more over here that hasn't been done, but you can see we've removed a majority of the wax, guys, and look at that. They look, I mean, they honestly look brand new. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Do these look brand new or what? How have we done so far, guys? Remember what it used to look like this? And then boom, look at that. 5 years of just buildup and wax on those hardwood floors, guys, and they look incredible. My client is very pleased with it. So am I. All right, let's finish it up. Guys, and if you or somebody you know in the Knox or Blount County area is having this issue, please call a professional. This is a highly specialized process. Somebody can come in, chemically burn the floor, alter the floor, warp the floor, buckle the floor, splinter the floor. We are Knox and Blount County's highest rated floor company. No, you're good. Go ahead. You can talk.
It looks so good.
Yeah, it looks a lot better. And it looks like I said, like a brand new floor. God, that sucked. That sucks so bad.
I'm so sorry.
I was getting to the end and I was like, dear God, is it ever going to end? Yeah, it looks awesome.
Did you have to do these parts by the toilet by hand?